live without. Perhaps one can live with their husband, snoring during her sleep.
Sila yung sila.
Well, good for you.
Kanina pa ako.
But waking up every morning, seeing his beautiful face or handsome face, and every time you close your eyes to have a well-shut eye, well-needed shut eye, is something that you cannot live without. Perhaps one can live without his or her husband having a yacht, a private jet, or bring her to fancy vacation spots where she have never been. But the manner of how he holds her hand and bring her to places where she have been and she enjoys the most is something she cannot live without. He may not have the humor of a stand-up comedian, but that is something that you can live without. But the way he hugs you and kisses you and cheers you up when you are down is something that you can live without. These are simple things that influences our decision that the person you are marrying is the right one. Understanding each appreciation of things that he or she can live without and things that he or she cannot live without is a manifestation of mutual love and respect. By the way, mutual love and respect is the cornerstone of our family code when it comes to laws of marriage. Appreciating each other's effort and recognizing each other's accomplishment is a manifestation of mutual help and support. Marriage is cooperation and collaboration brought about by a lifelong partnership. It is never about subordination, where one is superior over the other. It's not a relationship between a student and a teacher. It's reciprocal. Both are teachers and both are students. You teach each other and you learn from each other. It's neither a relationship of an architect and an engineer, where the architect takes the lead role in design of the project and the engineer works towards the physics in the development of the project. In marriage, both spouses plan their lives as a couple and works together to realize their dream. It is not a relationship akin to a driver and a passenger, when the driver steers to where he chose to be and the passenger simply awaits where the destination is. Travel together. Both of you are drivers and passengers. Enjoy each other's company wherever you go. And lastly, this is also my request, and of course, probably the request of most of the people with us. Have a child. Okay? Marriage comes or becomes more satisfyingly complicated. Your plans would be adjusted, I tell you. Okay, with that, best wishes. Congratulations to you. Best wishes.